USDJPY, USDJPY again, and across the board from top-down approach. I set up my chart, multi-chart, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, and so on. This is the 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, here we go. We look at here. We are at this top of the universe here, monthly, and we go microscopic down. The monthly at this point here, where there are now is this guy here, and weekly is just a first test reformation, not reformation in the big thing, but just reformation here. The test one, not yet complete. Still training up to test this guy. And what happened? Yeah, anyway, we go down quickly. This area is this area. This area is this area. So we can see the detail of these 3 candles here. There is more green. It looks like the buyer coming and want to break through this area, but they can't. No possible. Seller step down the price, give them a cheaper price, discount price for the buyer if they are interested. So this area is this area with this. So the detail of this thing that's running down here. The red seller give the discount price and the buyer come the first time interesting but not yet full be able to get through this area. They stay on the sideway a little bit. You won't be able to see at the higher time frame that you see it here. Go to the 1 hour. This area is this area, and they're fighting now. This is the price of every time frame. It's all the same, and we are at here 1 hour. The price is about to challenge the higher time frame where that is here. The next move of the weekly is to test this guy, and the buyer seems to lose strength. They shop it to go up, but the seller is full throttle down here, a little bit shocked here, but anyway, is this the detail of all? This is the seller turn to move market down. The target is low, low, higher, low, continue down to the bottom of this chart. Okay, this is 15 minutes is on right here. That here. This is one here. It's being in range for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 incident, 5 incident, 5 turn of zigzag on sideways market. The sellers are on their duty. They have to show what they can do more if they want to get through this area. It's right now they are on the test of the first guy is here on the weekly. This market is not going anywhere but sideways, taking a long time now to show that they are belong to this weekly. The weekly show they need the test. If they don't have a test 1, test 2, or at least some zigzag 4 times in the range or in the channel, then they're gonna move. So it's gonna be a long way of breaking through of this level. All we need to do is these markets belong to the weekly or even the monthly. The daily, the 4 hours is just start to see you a little bit more detail, but the weekly is not yet have their own test, their own movement to show the direction. There is no direction. just now. So just get back to another pair that I've on my radar from yesterday that the AI said to me, Euro JPY and USDJPY. Now the pair of my radar, Euro JPY. I had win the take profits one or two times already, but this one's still running. The the top down approach the same. This is the monthly. Monthly we are here. Monthly detail of the monthly on the weekly is here. The monthly not yet show any the what so-called a sideways markets for testing the strength of both parties who gonna take the lead for the next. If they have no tests here, it's gonna show that they are so desperate for the buyer to move the price up to whatever new overall time high again. But so far there is no chance for those buyers who missed the chance to get in. So anyway, we are concentrate on the weekly. The weekly is need the test. So we look at the test in the daily. The daily is just at this here. It show it here. So you can see the buyer and the seller fighting. Buyer is coming up so strong at first. The seller trying to put Shopee down, but still coming to the 50% down. The buyer still step back in, but cannot get higher high. So higher high, no higher high, and the price drop. That means the first effort to try is failed. And now the price war move the price back to the beginning. The buyer has an issue now. If they need to show some strength, they need to show now. Otherwise, the seller are not ready yet for change of direction. So we let the seller to do their job. And this morning, I can see that I want to join the market. So I put one stop position in. Just a moment, please. Somebody. Okay, I'm back again. So we look at this USDJPY, and I have the position running because I think that will go down, because look at here, that needs the test at the monthly. Weekly show a little bit ding here, something happening, but not yet we can make the decision to go up north, because there's no buyer there. It's only seller coming back in, or somebody taking profit, and move the price down. Now we target on the 1 hour chart, and 1 hour chart just a red candle from this morning until now. New York market opening, the time local time now is I don't know, I see the clock 16:51. Okay, what New York market open for 1 hour, 2 hours now, and the market is keeping pushing euro down. Euro bad news yesterday also. That's what the reason why euro is down. Plus Japanese yen this morning 2 o'clock Asian market opening. Japanese yen has a good news, so that's why this morning it's propelling. Put the fire on the gas. Put the gas on the fire to make the Japanese yen stronger. Push the furthermore euro, Japanese yen, and USD Japanese yen downhill. So this is what the result, and my position, even though I know that it far extend down the price, I still get in one position, just for the heck, just a small lot size to play. Okay, this is the 3-minute chart. Here we go just a little bit look at the bigger picture on the Japanese chart. So the Japanese chart on 3 minutes is moving down. Okay,